Hey guys, welcome to Testing Academy. My name is Pramod. So in this video, we are going to discuss that is manual testing is dying in 2019 or 2020. Let's find out. All right. So guys, let's discuss more about the manual testing and it is going to die or not. Let me put my perspective especially related to it. So I have read lots of different questions, especially on Quora, and different questions on different big platforms, and I have gone through the state of testing report of 2019, which I am going to put them into in the description. Which reports basically says they basically take the certain sample of the software tester and what exactly they are doing, and they release this report especially every year. And I'm going to basically give the condensed version of what exactly is going on with the software testing industry in this, right? So we are going to see what exactly and what are the things, and especially my perspective about it, means is the manual testing dying or not. So I have put like certain points especially related to the manual testing. Like, we cannot replace the manual efforts, right? uh, just tell me, means if you are already doing a software testing or probably into a software testing or want to learn, and if especially for these people who are doing it, uh, have you ever released any kind of software without testing it manually? If the answer is no, then you know the answer of this question, or basically the whole purpose of the video is solved, right? Means I have nearly around the 7 years of experience, and we never had any kind of a release without a manual testing, right? So manual testing mainly involves around exploratory testing, usability, and ad hoc testing, right? And these testing are necessary, and we have to do these kind of testing before releasing any kind of software, right? So regarding the automation testing, especially regression, load testing, and performance can be automated, and they are increasing. They are just increasing, but it doesn't mean that manual testing is dying, right? Other, if we talk about the graph, lots of different people are switching, basically taking their task that they are doing in manual testing toward the automation, but the manual efforts are still the same. Means whenever any kind of software is going live or going to production, we need certain manual efforts and different type of testing that has to be done with the manual, right? So let me give you more example. In that report that I was talking about, the state of testing, yeah, in 2019 report, as you can see, if we talk about that, most of the people are doing exploratory testing and traditional script-based testing to check the software, right? It clearly means that exploratory and traditional testing of this clearly falls under the manual testing. Means whatever the software is going live, we need exploratory testing, we need usability testing, we need ad hoc testing, right? These all falls under the manual efforts and manual testing, guys. So 100% automation cannot be possible, but the regression, load testing, performance testing or API testing can be automated, right? So people are basically leveraging those tools of automation tools, especially, and leveraging these automation testing to enhance their skills, right? And therefore manual testing is always required, and this is my answer. No, I don't see happening in near future also. So manual testing is not dying, guys. Thanks a lot, and this was a short video, and I was just wanted to give you my perspective especially about it, that manual testing is not dying, guys. And according to the reports, I have seen lots of different you can say, I have gone through lots of different job portals to see around what kind of jobs are opening, and so they need manual testing as well as the automation testing, so they are just going parallelly. And one more interesting thing is that if you go to if you have seen my other tutorial, if you want to become a perfect automation tester, you should have a good command of manual testing, right? And I have extensively discussed about it, that to be a perfect automation tester, you should have a great command on manual testing. So you need to learn the manual testing, and you need to do certain manual efforts. You have to put certain manual efforts to release any kind of product to a production. All right. So thanks a lot for watching this, and I hope you let me know in the comments if you are agreeing or not, and if 100% automation can be achieved, let me know in the comments, and I will be happy to discuss more about it. Alright, and if you have any kind of doubt, just let me know, and you can contact me at contact@testingacademy. My name is Pramod, and thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you in the next video.